It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We haven't slept all night. And she's been up since 6 o'clock in the morning last night. Or this morning, or whatever. Last morning. I've been up since like 12 or I don't know. So, we're just bored.
I'm eating cereal because I'm really hungry.
Bored. Watch our videos.
Guys,
Sometimes. Winka. Okay, so bored. In your comments, like give us stuff to do. Like stuff that we would like to do, not cleaning our rooms. Well, my room's clean. Hers isn't. I don't think.
hey,
I'm 50.
look how thick that is.
Okay, well, see you next time. Watch our videos, rate and comment. Bye.